Alright, guys, just days after a rare medical evacuation from space, NASA and SpaceX just sent a new team to the International Space Station, and this mission could shape the future of deep space exploration. The Crew 11 team returned early to Earth because one astronaut developed a serious medical issue, and that essentially prompted NASA to bring them home weeks ahead of schedule. That early return left the ISS with only a pretty meager crew of just 3 astronauts for 1 month. So, to fix that, NASA accelerated the launch of the SpaceX Crew 12 flight, which lifted off on February 13th of this year, 2026, from Cape Canaveral in Florida. The Crew 12 team blasted off aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket with a Crew Dragon spacecraft named, I think it's called Freedom. This crew includes NASA astronauts Jessica Meir, Jack Hathaway, ESA astronaut Sophie Adenaut, I think. I don't know how to say her name. And Roscosmos astronaut Andrei Fedyaev. I hope I said those names right. These guys are a mix of veterans and first-timers as well. After about 34 hours in orbit, the spacecraft is scheduled to automatically dock with the ISS. Once Crew 12 reaches to the ISS will essentially be restored to a full complement of 7 crew members and take over the Expedition 74 mission. And 7 crew members is what they're comfortable with, running the ISS at. Crew 12's 8-month mission, which is part of the Expedition 74 mission, includes science and tech experiments that benefit life on Earth and potentially support future lunar and Mars exploration as well. This sort of work includes medical research, plant growth studies, tech demonstrations, etc., which are pretty important for long-duration space flights, like we might need when we want to go to Mars. So the ISS itself remains a pretty key international laboratory with partners from the US, Europe, Russia, and beyond. And it's expected to operate until at least 2030. So it's not showing any signs of slowing down soon. So here's the question. If you could send any experiment to the ISS that you think might be interesting to see in space, what would it be? Drop your ideas in the comments. And thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. If you like this kind of content, hit the follow button. And subscribe to the YouTube channel. The link is in the bio. Keep expanding your universe, guys. See you next time.